Tony's Leaf Cut Signature History of Baseball. Good luck. 4 boxes. Come on, baby. With the candy bar.
Tell me about the door.
Well, what I'm doing on eBay now, all my cards, I'm doing what I always hated. I'm starting at 996. It went for 11 and a half plus shipping.
Not bad.
I mean, not bad, but I mean, it was a nice card. But yeah, Garrett Grayson. What do you get? Oh, I like those.
Yeah.
Lou Boudreau, 18 of 50. Yeah, I love those Hall of Fame postcards too. Those are cool. And 18 of 50. Nice. Yeah, those are cool postcards.
Not bad.
Was that who I almost thought it says? Oh no, Johnny Mize. He's a nice autograph. Johnny Mize, and 27 of 50. So far, you have reached the dead boxes. Died Boudreaux in 2001, and Johnny Mize died in 90. God, 93. It's been that long. Damn, I didn't realize that. Come on, baby.
Not bad. Little Hall of Famer.
Don Sutton, and again on those Hall of Fame postcards. Don Sutton, 16 of 47. And he just broke the dead streak. The dead man streak. Sorry, Undertaker.
I see that.
Oh, thanks.
For Ronda Rousey.
Oh, yeah, I know. Who? Who's that?
Not bad.
Hal Newhouser. Very nice. And it's a 1 of 21. And died in 98. 3 out of the 4 boxes was Dead Man Walking. Congratulations.